Good morning. Hello and welcome to Surfside Beach. It's a parking lot. Yeah, that's not what we're here to look at. We're here to look at the activity going on next to said parking lot, Surfside Pier. As you know, this pier has been the topic of a lot of back and forth. When are we going to rebuild it? When are we getting our new pier? Well, they've at least started. As you can see, they've got equipment set up, ready to go. They're starting demolition activities on the old pier that was damaged by a hurricane several years ago. This is kind of a boring view. Let's make our way to the beach. For those of you wondering which hotel is next to the pier, it's the Surfside Beach Oceanfront Hotel with this cool turtle mascot. All right, let's go to the beach. It is a beautiful December morning here in Surfside Beach. Just get an overview here. As you can see, they took the entire building down that was attached to the pier. So we're not only getting a new pier, we're getting a new structure as well. I assume bait and tackle, maybe a restaurant, something of that nature. So Hurricane Matthew rolled in here a couple years ago and he was a jerk. He kind of took out the spring-made pier and the Surfside Pier. As you might know, if you watch the channel, this spring-made pier has been rebuilt. It's a pretty awesome pier. Check out the videos on the channel about that. Let's get a view this way. Some surfers out there. It's a little chilly this morning. I'm sure they're probably a little cold. All right, let's get a closer look. Got a lot of memories of this pier growing up in the area. Spent a lot of time walking up and down that right there. There's the equipment over there. So yeah, they're starting to remove the existing pier and hopefully we'll get a nice, shiny, brand new one in the near future. That'd be a good thumbnail shot right there. So what we'll do is periodically we'll revisit the Surfside Pier and give you guys and gals an update on the demolition and then construction status of this pier. That's another nice shot right there. All right, everybody. That about sums it up for today. Like I said, if you know anything about this pier's future, comment down below, let me know. And until next time, stay safe. Have a good holiday season and take it easy.